Hey everyone. So let's just say we have a slide like this where we have this icon here and some data that we are showing on the right hand side. So let's just say that we need to change the color of this icon to some other color. Let's say we need to match it to this green. So if I go and do that, this is what happens. That's because we have this as text and this is not part of a shape. So it's kind of annoying if we have a situation like this. Let's take another example. Here we have a nice quote, and if you notice, we have a quote here which is also a text. So instead of changing the color from your regular shape fill, we have to go and change the color here. If we need to, let's say, change its size, you'll have to go and change the font size, which takes a couple of more steps than, let's say, if you were just to go and increase the size like so. But you can't do that since this is a text. Let's take one more example. Here we have all these icons, but the difference between this and this is that this is a text and this is a shape. Similarly, we have this as text and the rest of these two are icons. One last example is, let's say if you have a logo like what I have here. So all this is text, and working with text is a little bit more involved than working with shapes. Shapes are pretty intuitive and easy to work with. So it would be nice if we have all of this in the form of a shape instead of text so that we can quickly manipulate it. And in PowerPoint, it's pretty easy to do that. I mean, I didn't know this feature for a long time, and I've been working with PowerPoint for quite a long while. So in case you don't know, it's quite simple. Essentially, you take your text. Let me just copy this. Then create a shape. Any shape will do. We just need to cover this entire text. Let's just send this to back. Let's just color this in a different color so you can see what we're doing. Then select both of these and then go to shape format and just say fragment. Everything just disappeared, but it's all there. Let me just delete the extra shapes that we have. And since now this is a shape, if we go ahead and change the font color, nothing will happen. So we'll have to go to shape fill and select the color. Let's just remove the border and let's group this. Let's remove this, move this here. Now everything is shaped. So if we need to change the color of the entire icon to a single color, we can just do that with one click. Let's do one more example. We have this quote, so let's just copy that over here. Go to insert, pick any shape. I think square is the easiest, so I'm going to do that. Let's send this to back, then select both the shape and the quote. Go to shape format, click on fragment, delete all these extra colors, and select any color that you want here. Let's go with this. We don't need a border. Remove this, and there we have it. Now if we need to change the position, let's say we need to bring this closer, we can do that. If we need to increase the size, we can do that quite easily. This would have been a little more painful if we had this as a text. If we need to add an outline, we can do that as well. I don't know why you would need that here, but assuming you needed it, it can be done pretty easily and quickly. So yeah, it's a quick one. You can also do this with all kinds of text, so alphabets, numbers, all these special characters, all of it can be converted into shape like so. So I hope you found this quick tip useful. Be sure to subscribe and like if you would like to be notified for future videos. See you next time.